Hello students, welcome to the online Pathshala of Apollo School of Education. Hopefully you all are well at home. So today we will discuss about articles, which is a very important thing which is used in our daily life. So basically articles are used before now, and in modern English in the articles we can also say that determiners. So basically, as we all know that articles have three types: a, an and the, where article a and an is indefinite and article the is definite. So what is the difference between indefinite and definite? When the things are straightforward is known as definite article, and the person or thing is not straightforward is known as indefinite articles. Now learn with an example. He saw an old man. So he saw an old man means उसने एक बूढ़ा आदमी देखा. Here the man is not definite means उसने एक बूढ़ा आदमी देखा, वह कोई भी हो सकता है. There was a king. एक वहां यहाँ एक राजा हुआ करता था. A dog was barking at night. A dog means एक कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था. So when we don't know about the person or thing is particularly means there are lots of dogs, they are barking at night. So we will use article a, dog was barking, मतलब एक कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था. So when we talk about article the house which I live is new. The house means the house is here. The house which in I live is new. कौन सा घर नया है जिसमें मैं रहता हूँ? This is the pen which I have bought. This is the pen means दिस इज द पेन विच आई बोट, मतलब यह वही पेन है जो मैंने खरीदा है. मीन्स द थिंग इज पर्टिकुलरली आई नो दिस इज द पेन विच आई बोट मीन्स यही वो पेन है जिसे मैंने खरीदा है. सो वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द गोल्ड ऑफ नेपाल इज चीप. जो नेपाल का सोना है वह सस्ता है. इफ आई विल आस्क एन क्वेश्चन विच गोल्ड इज चीप एंड देयर आंसर विल बी द गोल्ड ऑफ नेपाल इज चीप. मतलब वह चीज डेफिनेट है, वह सिर्फ कौन सा गोल्ड सस्ता है, नेपाल का जो सोना है वही सस्ता है. सो वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द when the thing is definite, and article a and n is used when the thing is indefinite. So here is the some examples of articles which we use. Now look at the article a. Article A is used before when the sound is consonant or the first word which start is consonant letter. Consonant means first I will tell about the vowels. Vowels there are 5: A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowel. Rest of the letter in ABCD are consonant means C, D, F, X, Y, Z. All these letters which are except A, E, I, O, U are consonant. So article A is used before consonant. A, cat. So C. Now look at the C. C is the consonant letter, and when a consonant start with, we will use article A. Bat. A, bat. Unit. A, unit. Uniform. A, uniform. One-eyed girl. A, one-eyed girl. Now look at the N. N is used before the first letter of the word is A, E, I, O, U, which means it starts from A, E, I, O, U. Honest man. An honest man. MLA. An MLA. Hour and hour. Uniform and uniform. NCC boy and NCC boy. Now look. Honest. If we start with honest, H is not a vowel, means the sound H, the word H is not an vowel, but it is, here H is silent. Honest is not a correct pronounce. Honest is a correct pronounce, means honest. It is start from O. MLA. It is not M. It's M. Here the sound of A is used. M. Okay. So these are some important things which we will discuss about in the next our video. Now an elephant, which is very common thing. We will put we can also put and simply when the first word is start from vowel A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the things will we discuss about in the articles. We will discuss about in our next video, and also I will provide some works to you guys for your exercise for you to do at the homeworks. Take care. Bye bye students.